Hello everyone, I'm Gauri and I'm here this week with a fun activity to teach your child word building in Hindi, Marathi and Sanskrit. In our activity ideas, we use something called Lipi tiles to make learning Indian languages as fun as playing with building blocks. So far, we've used Lipi tiles in 5 activities where we saw how to introduce the Devanagari script to young children and build their letter recognition skills using their favorite activities like playing in mud, molding clay, tracing with color pencils, jumping around, and even playing detective games. In the next few activities, we'll be showing you some interesting ways to level up their knowledge of letter formation to building words and vocabulary. To get a box of Lipi Tiles Devanagari edition for your child, visit our website. The link is in the description below and check out our previous videos to avail a flat 175 rupees discount in your purchase. Today's activity is called Dissolve Dish, where we will be dissolving a few words in colored water and building them back using the jumbled letters. If you enjoy watching this video, please let us know by giving this video a like and subscribing to our channel Candid Krida. To prepare for this activity, here are all the things you need. A basin. I've used a large utensil. You can also use a large shallow plastic basin. Tap water. Black ink, paint or any dark food coloring. A few Lipi tiles letters and matras. Build some simple words using Lipi tiles. Kamal, Chhota, Sitare, Akshar. Fill the basin with water and add some dark color to it. You can use any food coloring or poster paint just as long as you cannot see through the water. Now, ask your child to pick a word and dissolve the Lipi tiles letters in the water. Add a few extra Lipi tiles letters in the water. Next, ask your child to fish out the correct letters and build the original word. Encourage your child to read aloud each letter or matra as they fish out from the water. You can do the dissolve dish activity in many ways. You can increase the difficulty level gradually by using letters of the same color and letters that look alike and adding them to the base. Janch, Savera, Bhumi, You could also dissolve a few words that sound similar and make it more challenging by asking them to fish out and build the words in the same order. Bag, Bag, Bhag. Bag, Bag, Bhag. Children may get carried away with the feeling of water in their fingers and they may forget to actually do the learning activity. To prevent this, what you could do is time the activity by counting down from say 10 or 20 and give them a set time period within which they have to find the correct Lipitas letters and build the word. And as always, any hands-on activity will be messy. Ask your child to help you clean up and share the work. After all, part of learning through play is having to take responsibility for the space around them. The dissolve dish activity with Lipi Tiles is super useful mainly in 3 ways. They learn to better differentiate between confusing matras by practicing the different sounds of letters and matras. This activity has an element of surprise in it that helps you engage all their senses while learning. They don't know which Lipi Tiles piece they're going to get while fishing for it, and they get to practice recognizing the shape of the letter, making the sound of it, and seeing if it is part of the word they're trying to build. This cycle of experiencing something concrete with their hands, reflecting on the shape of the letter, conceptualizing the sound of the letter, and finally actively experimenting with the letter to build the intended word forms the 4 steps of experiential learning, which is a scientifically proven method to make learning more fun and engaging. Wow, this week's activity was a bit loaded with research insights. And a lot of parents and educators like you have been inspired by these activities to teach Hindi in exciting ways for their children. If you're one of them, get a box of Lipi Tiles for your child, subscribe to our channel Candid Krida, and join us in revolutionizing the way our kids learn Indian languages. See you next week. Namaste.